Okay, so I am starting to go through the list of stuff that my newly acquired Montreal needs attention. And one of those is the headlight actuators for the louvered covers. And the lights work fine without them. And the previous owner, or two previous I think, put these turnbuckles in to replace the actuators. But the car came with what is supposedly a good set of actuators to repair it. And I want to get them in there, but I'm trying to do all the work in advance so I don't get surprised with something nasty. And first thing I've noticed, it's probably in a box that came with the car, maybe not. I'm missing, I believe, a vacuum canister, or reservoir, or whatever you want to call it, that would be bolted here. I don't know what goes in that bracket. Maybe someone can enlighten me. And I've got 1 and 2, and then a third one there. And a fourth one at the other end of this goes into. I've got 4 hoses here, or pipes, 2 here, and then I've got this switch in the middle. Now clearly all of these rubber hoses are old and hard and should be replaced. Is this the switch that has the quote-unquote auto manual switch on it that I'm supposed to change how that actuates? I don't know where that is. I'm also noticing that this may be that second one. This feeds in here, tees off down to the bottom of this switch. The whole assembly seems to be held on by 1, 2, 3 8mm bolts. I just wonder if anyone can give me any wisdom as to what I should be tackling. Obviously, I'm going to change all these connectors, and then these actuators mount up in here. I think that'll be the easy part. But is there anything else I'm missing here that would be important to know before I start tackling this project? Thanks.